The Ferrari F40 is more than a supercar. It is a raw mechanical ultimatum from the desk of Enzo Ferrari himself. As the last model personally approved by the Commendatore, it was built with a singular ruthless purpose: to be the first production car to shatter the 200 mph barrier. Stripped of all luxury and devoid of modern driver aids, the F40 is a violent, exhilarating masterpiece of Kevlar and twin turbocharged power that demands total respect. It offers no comfort, only a visceral, unfiltered connection to the tarmac. A timeless icon of engineering purity, the F40 remains the ultimate testament to what happens when you build a race car for the road with absolutely zero compromises.